All right, guys, we're gonna get started. Welcome to eSchool Live. You're gonna do more root canals in this weekend than you probably did in dental school. There's a real need for this endodontic education, plus there's a real need for patients getting access to care.
Education is always continual. We all know that, but having a grasp on the fact that we're gonna always continue to learn, we're gonna always continue to grow. Being willing to stretch is a good thing, even when it's uncomfortable. It's been awesome.
I feel like this was an opportunity I couldn't really pass up when it was opened up for me. I had a lot more opportunity to get outside of my comfort zone, so I really enjoyed learning more about why we do certain things, why we instrument certain ways, and the theory behind obturating and the different aspects of root canal therapy.
We have provided $50,000 of free dental care to the patients this weekend, so it's really a huge give back. Why more free root canals aren't done in the world is beyond me.
The whole experience is just amazing. It's not just like I was just another patient, another number. It was all like family.
When you get to see Dr. Chopra actually do the root canal and show you how she uncovers calcified canals, it's just amazing. It takes you to another level.